potentially deadly virus is now spreading across Florida and has been detected here in our area as well.
Yeah, it's called the Oropouche virus, also known as the Sloth fever. It causes a serious infection, and it turns out there is no known treatment.
CBS 12's Amber Robb joins us now with what you need to know about this virus. Amber.
Jim and Liz, this disease was first detected in the 1950s, but in the last few years, Oropouche infections have been rampant in Cuba. And that's got doctors here in South Florida keeping a close eye out for possible cases.
Sloth fever or Oropouche virus is a virus that is transmitted through mosquito bites.
Good Samaritan Medical Centerinfectious disease specialist Dr.Kleper De Almeida tells us Oropouche has very similar symptoms to dengue fever. But some cases can be serious.
Body aches, pain behind the eye, those are the main cardinal symptoms. And these are the same symptoms as dengue. Usually it resolves spontaneously. On rare occasions, it can go to the brain and create inflammation of the brain. And in even more rare occasions, it can lead to very serious manifestations, and there have been deaths in other countries.
This week, the Florida Department of Health is reporting 30 cases in the Sunshine State, more than half of those in South Florida. Though so far, just one in Palm Beach County and none on the Treasure Coast. All of these cases can be traced to travel from Cuba. Stephen Fazekas with Palm Beach County Mosquito Control tells CBS 12 News one of the mosquitoes that carries this virus is all over our area.
The southern house mosquito that does exist in South America, Cuba, and South Florida. It may be different depending on the geographic variation of that species, but the potential is there.
Fazekas says his team is looking out for them, but their assessment right now is that risk is low.
The likelihood of transmission of this in our area is really on the low end at this point. I mean, things change. They're finding out new things every day, but I would say we have other viruses that we're a bit more concerned about at the moment.
At the top of the list for mosquito-borne infections right now is dengue fever. The Department of Health has counted over 400 cases in the state as of this week, and most of those are all travel-related. Reporting live in Palm Beach County, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.
As a reminder, experts say you should get rid of any of that standing water. That's usually where the mosquitoes breed. Also, avoid being outdoors during dusk and dawn. Those are the peak times when mosquitoes are active. And also, if you do have to be outside, make sure that you are not during those hours. Make sure that you're wearing some sleeves, some pants, and don't forget to apply bug repellent as well.
I'm Jim Grimes. Click like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more stories like this that impact you.